That's the front door. Holy shit. You can see it. John's car across the street over there. You can see that. It's got like 3-4 feet of snow on top of it. Been blowing off his house all night. His garage door is probably 2 feet covered. I was trying to keep this covered last night, but looks like I got about 4 foot sitting there. Holy crap. Time to dig out. You know? Incredible. A fire plug, look at it down there. You can barely see the top. Have to dig that bad boy out too. Alright, let's go look at the back. Right, this is the back door here. Oh shit. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. Holy shit.